The apartment was in a perfect location, quiet and so close to the tube station. Key pickup and access was perfectly described and so detailed, nothing could go wrong.
Not sure I am happy to accept a CCTV camera in the hallway. I accidentally came across it. Until then I had been wandering about in the flat, in my birthday suit, post a shower. Is this even legal? No sink plugs, they have been deliberately removed. There is every
1.
possibility.
The location of the property with easy access to transport and shops, Tesco Express for daily provisions. 2. Canary Wharf is a beautiful location with lot of things to see, especially close proximity to Greenwich Royal Observatory, bars and eating places.
This is my second time booking this location. Upon booking and confirming the booking as well, I received an email saying that my payment was not accepted, although the money was taken out my bank account.
The flat and the experience are really amazing. The self-check-in is very easily done, the place to pick up the keys is really close, and all the information were given in a good timing. The apartment is perfect, very clean, very nice, well equipped.
I only noticed on the last morning before checkout there was a video camera in the entry hall of the apartment which didn't look like a normal camera. I noticed it only because I thought it was an electric air freshener device or the Valon router.